Hi everyone, we are Group 6 and I'm Nhi, this is Huyền, Thu Phương and Ngọc Mai. We plan to say a few words about investigating ULI student attitudes toward extracurricular activities. Our talk will be in 5 parts, starting with introduction and ending with conclusion. I'll start with introduction first. At this part, I want to make sure that you guys know what extracurricular activities are. They are the things that you do outside the classroom, the things that you choose to do because they are fun or they are something that you are interested in. But you guys know why extracurricular activities are also incredibly important when it comes to college prep. I'm gonna explain why. At first, let's take a look at some different kinds of extracurricular activities. They can be categorized into two types, academic and non-academic. There are school activities like student government, sport team, or community activities like theater, music, art group, or work-related activities like internship and summer job. And there is the world of volunteering like tutoring, rescuing animals, and raising funds. Now let's consider our rationale. One crucial aspect is extracurricular activities are key in fostering intellect, emotion, social skill, and physical well-being. And by exploring student attitudes, help us identify what motivates them to participate in activities, the obstacles they face, and how effectively the university supports these students. Moreover, extracurricular activities are related to improve academic performance, enhance soft skills, and have better career preparation. For example, when doing volunteer work reveals that you are dedicated to help other people. And working a part-time job while keeping your grades up shows that you are responsible and can manage your time. And now I would like to change direction and talk about our scope in terms of data collection and participant. In 2023, ULIS had over 7,000 students, and we will survey about 200 students, including freshmen, sophomores, junior, and senior from 9 faculties. And our study will cover the 2 main semesters of the current academic year. About the survey dimensions, we will survey the participant rates and frequency, motivation and reasons for participation, perceived benefits and drawback, and finally academic impact. About time and method, our data will be collected through survey questions and interviews within a month. And we aim to comprehensively inspect the views of ULISER toward extracurricular activities, ascertain the factors that motivate and prevent participants in extracurricular activities, and finally understand the positive aspect and potential impact of extracurricular activity on academic performance. All in all, our study contributes to a more comprehensive and enriching university experience for students. Before ending my talk, I want to empathize some of our research questions. The first one is, what are ULI students' general attitude toward extracurricular activities? And what makes ULISER have a positive attitude and negative attitude toward participating in extracurricular activities? And that is from me. Now, please give your attention to my friend Huyền.
Okay, my name is Huyền and I will tell you about the research procedure. The data collection was divided into 3 stages. In the first stage, we designed a questionnaire on Google Form with a total of 8 multiple choice questions, 2 rating scale questions, and 1 open-end question. In the second stage, the questionnaire was sent to ULIS students online. Respondents click on the survey and answer all the questions before submitting the result. In the end, the questionnaire gathered a total of 203 responses. In the third and last stage, the collected data were processed into chart and graph by Google Form, U4 and further analyze and for this leading to the conclusion about the conclusion of attitude toward extracurricular activity of ULIS students.
And I'm Ngọc Mai, and now I will show you the third part, finding and discussion. Okay, firstly, let's move on the face-to-face response, and I have interviewed 5 interviewees, and all of them confirmed to us that they are engaging in the extracurricular activity in university, and 4 of them are taking part in particular clubs. Only 1 of them said no. However, she spent time on discussion and workshop at university. And let's move on. The result we collected through the Google form. In the first question, the data we collected is that about 83% of students in ULIS choose to participate in extracurricular activity, while the number of students say no only accounted for about 17%. And it is easily to see that the majority of the students in our university, they are taking part in the extracurricular activity. So have you ever asked yourself that which one is the most popular one? And surprisingly, workshop and discussion is the most popular extracurricular activity in our university. And however, only 7.5% of students, they said that they are taking part in the student government, and the student government also the least popular one. More surprisingly, there are no clear differences between the number of students take part in sport club, volunteer work club, and art club, and the recorded statistics were 19.1, 19.7, and 19.7 respectively. And of course, the time each student dedicate to the extracurricular activity also varies, and about 41 of them spend less than 1 hour, and this number is followed by about 40% of students, they wait about from 3 to 5 hours per week. Only 5% of students spend 5 to 10 hours, and it's no surprise that only 1% of them spend more than 1 hour per week on after-class activities. In the next question, our survey concentrates on the contribution of extracurricular activity on personal development, and 2/3 of the students agree that the extracurricular help them much with their personal development, and 2/3 of them rated at the too high level and only 36 of them accounted for about 18% rating at the 3rd level, and 3% of them, with 6 people, they said that they think that the extracurricular activity don't help them much in their self-development. And the final one, let's talk about the positivity impact of academic performance to the student. It is clearly to see that although we can see the positive impact, however, it is easy to see that the extracurricular activity seem like help people with their personal development than academic performance, although the level 4 and level 5 accounting for about a half of the people. However, it is still lower a little bit than the people who rate for group 2 and group 3. And about 14 of them, they said that they don't think when taking part in the extracurricular activity in school help them to develop their academic performance.
Hi, I'm Tu Phương, and now I will provide more detailed information for the next research question. Let's move to the second research question. What makes e-researchers have a positive attitude towards extracurricular activities? And in the face-to-face interview, we also asked the same question to the interviewees, and we also received some different answers. But all 5 of the interviewees shared the same common opinion that they are able to learn different kinds of soft skills like communication or collaboration skill. Moreover, 4 of them who are club participants claim that they have more chances to build more relationship, and there are also some different benefits like gaining more specialized knowledge, enhancing academic performance, feeling unwind, or improving their confidence. The remaining interviewees who only engaged in workshops or seminars also admitted acquiring different kinds of soft skills. And based on the results in the survey chart, it is easy to see that the main reason why e-researchers feel enthusiastic about extracurricular activity is that they can improve their social skill, with 148 participants selecting this option, followed by networking opportunities, and surprisingly, stress relief is the least chosen option, with nearly a quarter of the total vote. And to answer our final research questions, why do e-researchers have a negative attitude towards participating in extracurricular activities? In the face-to-face interview, we divided the interviewees into 2 different groups to have the suitable question for them. And the group 1 is for those who only participating in one type of extracurricular activities, and the group 2 is for those who engage in multiple activities. And let's move to the results of the survey. For the group 1, with the question, why do you join more extracurricular activities? The interviewees answered that she didn't have enough time, and also due to the heavy study load, that she didn't have time to solely focus on her studying. And in the second question, about the difficulties that they face, most of them admit that they are lack of time, and also some hindrance left, like money wasted, lack of support, or pressure facing. In this pie chart, it's noticeable that the number of participants find out some hindrance in extracurricular activity is significantly higher than those who choose the no option. And in the next bar chart, here the majority of the participants struggling with time management or balancing their time, and followed by academic pressure. And the final things is lack of support. Here is the least chosen difficulties, with only 19.8%. And in our final questionnaire, we asked the question, if you are not participating in those activities, what are the reasons? Time management issue again received the highest vote, and followed by academic workload, and the difficulty in getting along with people is the least chosen option among those data. And that's all of the finding and discussion. Now we will move to the recommendation and conclusion, which in charge of Minh Huyền.
balancing academic study and extracurricular activity is very critical. And here some way we found that help students overcome the challenge they face in achieving this balance. Although extracurricular activity provide numerous benefits such as developing soft skills and helping us expanding social network, our recent survey found that time constraints are a significant barrier to student participation. And to address this issue, we recommend for students to use effective time management. Using tools such as scheduling app and reminder can help students organize their tasks more efficiently and manage their time and manage the balance between academic study and extracurricular. And also priority is very essential. Students should assess their commitment and prioritize accordingly, selecting their extracurricular activity due to their academic interest. And moreover, educational institutions play an important role in promoting student involvement. Counseling service can help students manage their time and duty in school. Organizing on-campus events and workshops can increase access to extracurricular activity on students. And flexible support policies are required to institutions can make adjustment to the study schedule to accommodate extracurricular activity. And the last one is our conclusion for the study. And English students generally view extracurricular positively, seeing them as beneficial for them to developing soft skills, helping them to expanding social network and for personal growth. Workshop and academic club are very popular, but the student government are less so. Major challenge as include time management, heavy academic workload, and a lack of sport. And many students say that they just participate in these activities just to meet the graduation requirement or to improve the chances they will getting a scholarship rather than for enjoyment. And to address this issue, effective time management and students and improve student support are required. And now we will move to the Q&A session.